siya. Ang laki and ang bigat. And last but not least, this is the one that I'm super excited to try on. Hi guys, Cykaniki here. Welcome back to this channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being here. If you're new, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So by the way guys, today we're going to have an unboxing video and I will be showing to you. Aray, ang bigat. Nandito kasi sa harap ko. Ito siya. Ang laki and ang bigat. So let's open this one. So I have my gunting here. Oops. I know na naririnig nyo yung mga plastic. Aray. Ang ganda ng amoy. O, para bang aromatic. Hindi. Tingnan natin ha. Pasensya na guys. Right now, I'm a bit oily. Hindi ako nag-makeup kasi ang lola nyo. Naglagay lang ako ng brows. Sa lips ko yung Zola. Nako guys, pinahirapan ako sa packaging. Pero so far, maganda to kasi protected talaga yung products, no? Thank you! Wait, excited lang. And by the way guys, hindi ako nag-makeup kasi meron akong nire-review na product na it will cause all your impurities to come out. So, maraming ganap sa aking face today. Grabe. Ew. But anyway, open ko siya. Okay. Gusto ko kasing i-unbox. Together with you, ito siya. Wow! Ang dami. Thumbnail. Ang dami guys! Excited. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung ka-open yung mga packaging. Siguro sa pag-ano to, deliver. Okay, thank you Petals for this. I will be placing their link on the description box. And these are all from Petals. You can find them at Facebook. You can follow them. I will be trying out their products. And first ko talagang naamoy. First na ipapakita ko sa inyo. Ito yung rub-on. Relief. Iba-ibang variant. So we have here 5. Rub it on. Dami. Hindi pala 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 guys! Ang dami! Oh my God! Meron ditong Stress Buster, Pumper Time, itong green, Keep Calm, ang yellow, Relief, ang orange, Stress Buster, excited. Ang dami pala, marami silang variant guys. Ang ganda-ganda pa. We have here their Petals Pem Wash. O, sa mga babaeng mga sensitive dyan. Kasi guys, alam nyo guys, what I love on Petals, Petals na mga products is they're organic. And especially itong Pem Wash, maganda to sa atin. Kasi, yun na nga, maganda yung organic na gamitin natin sa ating baba. No? Petals Pem Wash Feminine Wash, fresh and clean, protection, hypoallergenic, helps maintain healthy pH levels, conquers bad odors, and protects from itching and infection with its antibacterial formula. Laban. Next, ay meron pa palang ika-9. Ang dami nitong rub-on, guys. Dalawa pala tong Petals, guys. Oh, Petals Pem Wash. Ano ba tong hair ko? Ganon. Excited ka, besh? Meron pa talagang, do not use if the seal is broken. Okay po. I will. And, tada! Natural contains vitamin C, which I badly needed, and an antioxidant that may help reduce skin damage and premature aging. So, is naturally rich in alpha-hydroxy acids that can help to improve skin texture. In addition to rejuvenate skin's look and texture, it lightens visible sun damage and spots and scars. Also, it has an anti-aging effect on skin. So, sinabi dito, is the best for your skin while cleansing away dirt and oils, make milk protein balance of your skin moisture barrier. So, ganyan siya guys. Fruity whitening soap. So, 10 bars in one pack. Don't worry guys, all of the prices will be listed down below and maybe lalagay ko lang sa screen. Excited to try. Open nga natin to. Alam nyo guys, I've heard a lot of good reviews about this. Kaya super excited akong matry ito. And I'm super happy kasi matatry ko na ang Petals ngayon. Hala, ang cute. Ang cute ng mga colors, guys. Meron pa talagang color scheme. So, as you can see, meron akong video na ginawa, yung drag makeup, which ang color ng ginawa ko is violet. And then, ewan ko ba if coincidence lang na violet din yung color banner nila. So, ito siya, guys. Merong yellow, green, orange, pink, and violet. Ganda ng packaging nila, ha, in fairness. So, I will be placing it here muna kasi hindi pa natin ito matry. Nako, sandamakmak na review ang gawin natin ito, of course. And last but not least, this is the one that I'm super excited to try on. And I'm super happy because right now, as of now, having this ongoing texture on my face, pimples on my face, and I'm trying to clear everything on my face. I'm using a certain product which I cannot reveal it yet because hindi pa ako tapos. But then, I'm super excited to have this in line after nang ginagamit ko. I will be reviewing this Petals Renew Kit. This is their kit. Yes, this is their kit. And meron, tatlo talaga, no? Para dire-diretso na to. Kinis kutis. Ang laman ng isang set is, meron ditong Renew Night Cream. Meron na siyang night cream, guys. And UV Day Protect. So, merong sunscreen na magagamit nyo early in the morning. And merong toner for night. And merong soap. So, this one is the soap, the lavender kojic soap. So, merong soap na lavender. On my own experience when using rejuvenating set or renew set, first ginagamit yung soap and washing your face, prepping your face morning and evening. And after that, diretso ka na sa morning ha, UV yung protection, UV protection or sunscreen. Merong SPF 30. So after this, early in the morning and this one. And then during nighttime naman, soap, and after that, toner, and after that, this night cream. And you're good to go. Be excited for this. Alam nyo naman yung mga review natin dito sa ating channel. Parati talagang, di naman on point, but kasi ako, nagtatry din ako ng mga products. Nasasabi ko na reliable. Kasi I'm just telling the truth. Honest opinion dito sa atin, guys. Sa lahat ng ating mga reviews. Merong nakalagay dito sa packaging nila is, achieve a healthy, radiant skin in just 7 days. How I wish I could try this one on, but right now I have something on my face. I'm reviewing something, application on my face. And for sure, after this one, matatapos to, isusunod ko tong review na to. Marami kayong makikita mga review, but we'll see. For my reference, I have a very sensitive and oily skin. So, tingnan natin if kakasa to. And I'm super excited to share it with you. So, stay tuned. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this video. By the way, guys, I have an ongoing giveaway on my IG in collaboration with International Giveaway. So, please check them out. It would be fun. There's a lot of prizes. Okay, so see you soon in my next video. So I hope you like it, and I'm super thankful for all of these products that I will be trying out. Thank you, Petals. God bless in all your endeavors. I'm super happy that I will be able to try all of this one. By the way, guys, this is not a sponsored video. I'm not paid for this, okay? So just remember, all of our reviews will be honest and true. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, guys. Hello. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye for now. See you soon. Saranghe. Mwah.